Hey guys, Bob here, Turn 4 Automotive Performance in Gray, Maine. Gonna do another Cosmis Racing wheel review for you today. Haven't done much of the 5-spoke stuff from Cosmis. Today we got the Cosmis R5. As you can see, this wheel isn't a super aggressive offset, super crazy color like Cosmis is known for. These are great for your stock fitment stuff. These come in a 5x108 bolt pattern. So all you Focus ST guys, Volvo guys, Jaguar, these are a great option for you in that very hard to find 5x108 bolt pattern. 18x85 plus 40, perfect for your, like I said, Focus ST fitments. These are right on the money. Good 5-spoke design. Still leaves some stuff on the face, has the engraved Cosmis R5 logo. So it does brighten up the wheel a little bit and not just have it a flat black or just an asphalt black type wheel. Has a good gloss on the wheel, very nice coating on these Cosmis wheels, as you can see in our Cosmis 006R video. We'll link that in the description. The finish on these is awesome. It's very nice, it's deep, it's uniform throughout the front and back of the wheel. The wheel offers a very nice wide drop center on these wheels to mount up your tires. Has the ridges inside the barrels, so it helps with the tire sealing and the strength of the wheel as well. Unlike some other Cosmis wheels, these are not made in China. This is a made in Taiwan wheel, as you can see on the back, inscribed on the back of the spokes. They are all JWL certified, plenty of strength, plenty of certifications for you, so you know that you're getting a good quality wheel that's nice and strong. These Cosmis R5 wheels, as you can see, machined back of the face, so it's going to fit your hubs real well. It's not going to cause vibration. They also have a very nice thick mounting flange and nice thick spokes that come out. So very strong on this wheel. A lot of people with 5-spoke wheels, they think, oh, you lose a lot of structural integrity and stuff like that with these wheels. These are very strong, very well machined. So these wheels are great. Have no questions about it. We've been really impressed with all the Cosmis stuff we brought in. These have the same as most of our other wheels, the black plastic snap-in center cap. Comes with a Cosmis logo that just sticks onto the center cap. If you want to change that, put on maybe your manufacturer logo or some mods or something you have, maybe a sponsor, just go ahead and change that sticker out. They all come, as Cosmis is known for, chrome center cap, chrome valve stems. So the chrome valve stem is included in that. We're going to go ahead and take that out of this wheel and put on some sensors for our customer with his Focus ST. But just got these in stock. Very nice looking wheel. Wanted to share the other side of Cosmis instead of your radical blues and reds and golds and negative offsets and plus 5s and 12-inch wide wheels. Cosmis also does the normal realm as well. So Focus ST fitment, Volvo S60R fitment, great for both of those vehicles. 18x85 plus 40. Check this out in that hard to find 5x108 bolt pattern. This is also available in some of your other bolt patterns, 5-1-14-3, 5-1-12, 5-1-20. So any of you German guys, Honda, Nissan, Toyota, Mustangs, anything like that, a great looking wheel for you to upgrade your vehicle with as well. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel, shoot us a like below, leave us a comment of what you want to see us review in the future. We're going to get back to making these videos on a regular basis again. Sorry we got busy in the shop and missed it a little bit. But we're going to have some videos coming out for you this week and through next week. And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching and have a good day.